Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you might be watching my video. New stove. Let's bake some chicken. Now, this is not, regular baked chicken. This is the Walmart Great Value chicken breast strips. This is what I cooked in the electric skillet while I didn't have my stove. So, it tells me in order to bake this, I need to preheat my oven to 375, place a full bag, well, I don't have a full bag, place a full bag of chicken in a single layer on lightly greased baking sheet, bake chicken uncovered for 20 minutes, flip chicken over and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until an internal temperature of 165 is reached. Remove from oven and let stand for 1 to 2 minutes. Well, we are going to turn on our oven to 375. So, let's see. 375. Well, there's 350. So I guess part way would be 375. So, let me put that chicken on a baking sheet and I'll bring you back. Okay, the stove should be heated now. And I know that, all stoves are different, yada, yada, yada. So it may not take 20 minutes. But let's see if this pan fits in that way. So, need to get used to that door. Okay, so, look at here, won't fit that way. Fit that way. So, I've got a kitchen timer. I'm going to set it for 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Now, I guess this, let me turn on the light there. I guess this is a good reason to go out and buy me some new cookware. Let's go shopping. My timer just went off, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, needs to be turned. So let me get it out of there. That was 20 minutes. And it looks like, everything looks right. Y'all, I'm going to have to get me an oven thermometer. I had one for the other oven, but it's still in there. Which means that the place that I donated it to, they got it. So, y'all, I don't use, I have very, very little aluminum. And I never thought of this, but I'm going to have to buy me some new bakeware. I've got, those stainless steel things, but I don't have any cookie sheet type bakeware that will fit this oven. So, let me put this back in. Yeah, look, see how that fits. That's a tight fit there. Okay, we'll be back in, I think it said 15 minutes. Y'all, when I have this stove for about a month, after I've got a chance to cook several things in it, I have no place to lay my stuff. That's going to be one of the things I think of. And I'll put it in my review, in my 1 month or 2 month review. Depends on how much cooking I do. Okay, y'all, it's time. So, no place to put my my utensils up here. So let's turn this off. Yeah, I think it's done. I need to get me a thermometer, darn it. Ooh. Let me put this camera down. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. Looks good. Did good. Time by the package on the chicken. Yeah. It'll work. So, there's some baked chicken in my new Amana stove. So, thanks for watching, guys. Shalom, shalom. Bye.